So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this basic cloth simulation using the Blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. So at the end of this video guys, I will share with you one tips, so make sure you watch this video till end. So now start the tutorial. So for making this simulation, first of all I'm just going to delete this plane, then I will add the collision on this table from the physics settings, and make sure you keep these settings as a default. Then I will add the one plane here, and I'm just going to edit mode of this plane. Then I will going to subdivide this plane 50 times, something like that, and then I will keep this plane top of this table, something like that. So now I'm just going to add the cloud simulation on this plane, and from here you can apply any kind of preset. So right now I'm just using the denim preset, you can use any of them. Then you can scroll down and make sure you increase the collision quality. So right now I'm just keeping this 3, and make sure you enable this self collision as well. And now when you play the animation, so here you can see we have a perfect cloth simulation. But right now here you can see our cloth is looking so much low poly. So there are two ways to make this smooth. So first of all I'm just going to add a shade smooth, and second you can add this subdivision modifier pressing the Ctrl 2, so it will look more smoother. But now here you can see when I play the animation, it will play very slowly, here you can see. And if you want to play this animation in a real time, so for that you have to bake this animation, and for baking this animation you have to go to the cloth settings, and from here you will see the cache. You have to just define the end frame. So right now I'm just going to set the end frame 100, and then I'm just going to bake it. So after bake your animation, when you play the animation, here you can see your animation in a real time. Okay, and after that you can apply the texture on it, something like that. And now when you play the animation, here you can see we have a perfect cloth simulation, and that's how you can make this cloth simulation is using the Blender. And in the starting of this video I told you I will share one tip with you. So tip is that, so you can apply this cloth simulation as a shape key, and that will be save you lots of time to simulation. So how you can do this? So for that make sure you are end of this animation, something like that. And after that you can go to the modify section. From here you have to click on this little button, and in the second option you can see here you will see apply as a shape key. So after that you want to see how it look like, so you have to go to the object data property, and from here you will see your cloth simulation. So when you move your value slider, so here you can see that the cloth simulation apply as a shape key. And now we can add a keyframe on this shape key and make this animation easy. So for that I'm just pressing the I on top of this value button, and then I will go to the 30th frame, and I'm just going to increase this slider to 1, and then I will add the again one keyframe pressing the I, and from here you can see now we have a perfect animation of this cloth simulation. So that's how you can save your lots of time to using the shape key. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply your comments. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.